You're watching K News HD International.
MP Bhandara Memorial Polo Cup 2024 Apparel Sports Strength Youth's Mental and Physical Abilities. Aspanyar Bhandara sports build character and the personality in young people and strength their mental abilities. Chief Executive Murray Breweries Company Mr. Aspanyar Bhandara says that sports help in developing the mental of and physical abilities of the youth. This builds their character along with improving patterns and stage their in personalities because self-defense in the person can play an important role in the country's development. He added that the players are assist of the national and play an important role in promoting sports for the information of a health society. He experienced his was his while talking to reporter after a distributing prize in the successful team at the 120th MP Bandra Memorial Polo Cup final in Rawalpindi. He also said appreciate of the effort on CM Punjab for the promotion and uplift of the sports activities and CM agrees to local government to the develop sports explains across Pakistan. Dignities development a government of official and the pupil for different walk of the life enjoy and historic event. Chief guest appreciate the effort of the Murray Breweries team for the promotion of sports event.